In this video, I'll demonstrate how to set an action to wait for a frame to load new contents. The web page that I've loaded into the builder is color-coded to help you more easily recognize the various frames on this web page. Let's go to a browser to see how this web page behaves. When in the browser, if I click a link, the landing page of that link loads inside of a frame, rather than reloading the entire web page. Note that the URL does not change when I click a link. Let's create a click action that adjusts for this functionality in the builder. First, I'll create my click action by choosing Click an Item from the New Action menu. Then, I'll click on a link that loads new content in the frame. When I click on this link, rather than new content being loaded in the yellow frame, it loads an entirely new page. I would prefer that this data be loaded inside the frame, so I'm going to modify my click action. First, I'll click on the click item. Then, I'll choose View Action Properties from the Selected Action menu. I will confirm that the checkbox next to Wait for a frame to load new contents is checked. Then, I'll click on the drop-down next to Perform Actions on Page and select the blank option. Then, I'll click Save. Let's test it to make sure the new content is loaded in a frame rather than on a web page. I'll choose Test Agent and select Start. It looks like the content is loaded correctly into a frame. This concludes the video on how to set an action to wait for a frame to load new contents.